Hello folks, I wanted to share with you here today a exhaust problem here. So I got a hot water heater, a gas hot water heater, and you see how what it's doing is running up here and then it's running back down, and then it's even running back down further, then back up. Well, in order to get good flow, so exhaust flow, we need to have that so as it goes up and then just gradual rise and then continue up. Anything that drops like this is creating a draft issue, and we don't have a power draft exhaust on this, so what we have is poor ventilation. This could cause, this is a great safety issue, and it could cause carbon monoxide poisoning. And this is why it's so important to make sure that this flows. So get it so it comes up through here. It's supposed to go up slightly and then keep going up, where this one is just the opposite, dropping back down and going back up, and that's cutting down the draw. And this is a problem. It's an easy fix. All you got to do is just cut this one down a little bit, lower it, and then everything will rise perfectly. Anyway, that's a simple fix, but it's very safe. It's something very important that you want to make sure gets done right. And I don't know how this ever passed inspection. I guess maybe there's a little payola going on. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching our videos, folks. Hit like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we greatly appreciate you. Thank you. Have a great day.